Compensation Alex cover up. What about sir?
You see, the role of the chief minister in the state of West Bengal is very uh, condemnable role. Wherever there is a rape, she wants to immediately get into the contact of the victim family, pay them money, and then say that everything is over. Unfortunately, she has fixed up rate card for the rape victims. Under the law, they are entitled to get compensation, but that should wait till the investigation is over. Her attempt is to purchase the witnesses. That attempt was made in this case also. The parents of the victim girl, they have formally refused it because they didn't like to be a part of the game played by the chief minister. On the contrary, they had given us the authority to move the court. We have moved the court and we got the investigation transferred to CBI. Now CBI is under the control of investigation. CBI has to submit a report to the High Court. Then we shall consider that and proceed further.
But sir, on police commissioners that they can address this press conference, they said that who says that is these types of 150 grams semen?
No, you see that police commissioner shouldn't have make all this press conference and other things, because we have seen that he is a complete failure in controlling the situation. The activities of the police even after the report of this death, according to me, was not satisfactory. Now, whether 150 grams semen or not, that might be a confusing idea to the people. That's a different thing. But 150 milligram of you see, the milliliter of fluid was found there. Whether that fluid is semen or not, that's a matter of forensic investigation. But why should the police come forward to defend like this? When police, instead of discharging their duty, comes forward to defend and counter the public opinion and public views, shows that the police is not up to the mark.
So you are the counsel of this victim family, sir. What's parents' demand?
You see, every parent will demand that the guilty should be brought to the justice. This is not a very easy game. This is not that a lady was on the way in a desolate place, some goons comes and rape her. This is inside the hospital, and she was a doctor. She was a doctor on duty. She was murdered, raped, whatever it might be, inside the hospital. And yet the police started case as a UD case, which is very unusual, number one. Number two, the hospital authorities informed the parents that she was ill and then said that she committed suicide. How come any ordinary man seeing the body would feel that this is not a case of suicide? Therefore, everybody will have doubt in the mind that they were trying to hush up. And why this so hurry? Why they were in so much of hurry doing the immediately postmortem and keeping the parents sitting, waiting at the fence and get their signature in the inquest report? Many things would come. I don't want to disclose all these things now since the High Court has relied the CBI for this investigation. But I am pained to say that the way Kolkata police is reacting to the situation, that raises much more doubt and eyebrows. This is not the duty of the police to come forward in their defense. They should act positively and give the result. Why could not they stop this vandalism? They knew, they had the information that the TMC will organize this vandalism to scare out the demonstrators. That was known to them.
But police commissioner said assessment is failure.
Now he is admitting the assessment failure after there is a public cry. Otherwise, he was all the time saying that police did his best. According to the chief minister, the police minister as well, the police has done it best. Is this the best? And that too from Calcutta police. Very, very unfortunate.
Sir, Supreme Court has taken motor cognizance of the rape and murder of doctor in Arjical Hospital in Kolkata. A bench of Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, and Justice J.B. Pradhiwal and Manoj Mishra will hear case on August 20.
Now, since the Supreme Court has taken so much cognizance, I don't want to make any comment, but I have reasons to believe that Supreme Court was not informed that the Calcutta High Court has transferred the investigation to the CBI. Had it been informed, it's my hunch from my experience, I feel that the Supreme Court wouldn't have taken so much cognizance. But let us see, in the Supreme Court is supreme, what they do. But what else they can do? They are also would be opinion that there should be a proper investigation. Supreme Court cannot carry on the investigation, and that investigation should definitely be relied upon by the premier investigating agency of the country, that is CBI. Therefore, I don't think Supreme Court can do much better than this.
So there should be national-wide.
Now, you see, this incident has roused the anger throughout the world. A working doctor in a government hospital was brutally murdered and then raped, or whatever it might be. I would say that the lady was ravished and killed. And what was the response of the authorities? What was the response of the police? There was a police outpost there, inside the hospital. And the local thana is just 2-3 minutes journey by car. Their response to the whole situation was absolutely unsatisfactory.
Kolkata doctor murder case, TMC Rajya Sabha MP Sukhendu Shekhar Raj summoned by police for demanding custodial interrogation of police commissioner and former RGCOL principal.
You see, Sukhendu Shekhar has made a comment, it's a very reasonable comment, and that comment would have been made by any man of ordinary prudence. He is a TMC leader and a Rajya Sabha member. Still the police issued summons against him, asking him to appear. The police is trying to scare out the people. If anyone who speaks against the police will ask them to appear. Police has asked many well-known doctors in the city to appear. What are they trying to do? Is this a police state? Is it the way the democratic governance persists? They are destroying the entire democratic structure.
So you support this Sukhendu Shekhar?
Of course. You see, whether I support or oppose is a different thing. An individual has his own opinion. He has said that the commissioner of police should be questioned. What's the wrong in it? And for that he will summon him. What is the purpose? Purpose is to scare him out. Or put him under pressure to withdraw the statement. What is the intention of the police?
West Bengal CM on a statement said that BAM and RAM want to create unrest. West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee midnight attack on Kolkata RGCOL hospital. She
talks nonsense. Therefore, I don't think any man of sense would really feel any requirement to reply this. But still I say that this is a statement where she wants to divide the entire society on this. The lady was killed in the hospital. What was the reaction of the Chief Minister then? And she is on the street saying, I want justice. Justice against whom? She is the responsible person. She is the police minister. She is the health minister. She is the chief minister. And she is on the street. She is behaving like a local political chap who just goes on street and saying, we want justice. Justice against whom? This entire gamut of things, if you go on analyzing, would reflect that the TMC has some doubt in their mind how to deal with this situation. Or if the investigation is done in an appropriate manner, TMC would be in difficulty. And that's the reaction.
कोलकाता बलात्कार हत्या पीड़ित के माता पिता ने ममता की आलोचना की, मुआवजा देने से इनकार किया, मामले को छिपाने का आरोप लगाया. क्या कहना चाहिए?
ये तो आरोप सही है. ये कि चीफ मिनिस्टर का काम है जो विक्टिम का घर जाके बताया कि तुम रुपया ले लो. इसका मतलब क्या है? पैसा ले लो, चुप रहो. ये भी एक गैर कानूनी काम है. और हमारा बंगाल का चीफ मिनिस्टर हर वक्त गैर कानूनी काम करने में ये सिद्धस्त है. चीफ मिनिस्टर अपना जिम्मेदारी नहीं निभा पाए, वो सड़क पर चले गए, वी वांट जस्टिस। क्या मतलब है? कुछ तो सोच होगा। चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ ए स्टेट, डेमोक्रेटिक, क्लेम टू बी डेमोक्रेटिकली इलेक्टेड, ये कि कानूनी ढंग से चल रहा है? ये हमारा जनतंत्र में इसे चलता है? चल रहा है। इसीलिए हर जगह पहली बार हमने देखा जो आदमी का, आम आदमी का जो क्षोभ, ये उबल के आए। इसमें कोई ऑर्गेनाइज मूवमेंट नहीं था, ये स्पॉन्टेनियस था। हर पूरा बंगाल में, हर देश में, देश का बाहर भी इतना सारे सेंसेशन हुआ है कि सरकारी अस्पताल, ये बाहर में नहीं हुआ। और जब सरकारी अस्पताल में ऐसे काम होता है, चीफ मिनिस्टर क्या होता है कि वो सड़क पर ऐसे हुआ था, जमीन पर ऐसे हुआ था। इज दैट ए रेस्पॉन्सिबल स्टेटमेंट? ये मेरा चीफ मिनिस्टर, दुख की बात है, इसमें कोई भरोसा नहीं है। कभी वो कोई जिम्मा लेने का, जिम्मेवारी का इनका नहीं है। शी टॉक्स लाइक ए ऑर्डिनरी स्ट्रीट पर्सन।
सर, क्या ये मुद्दे को भटकाने की कोशिश है?
बिल्कुल है। ये मुद्दे को भटकाने के लिए आम आदमी का इतना जो आम आदमी बाहर आए, उनका खूब जो उबल के आए, इसको भड़काने के लिए चीफ मिनिस्टर सड़क पर गए। उसका अंदर का बात निकल गया जब स्लोगन दे रहा है कि निर्यातित और फांसी चाहिए। ये स्लिप ऑफ द टंग नहीं है, ये स्लिप ऑफ द टंग नहीं है। विक्टिम को फांसी दे दो, ये आवाज उन्होंने उठाया पहले। उसके बाद नहीं नहीं गलती हुआ, गलती नहीं, इसके सोच में था। ऐसी आदमी चीफ मिनिस्टर हम क्या करें?
क्या डिमांड करेंगे चीफ मिनिस्टर?
नहीं, हमारा आम आदमी का डिमांड है कि ठीक ढंग से इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए। जिस कारण के लिए ये विक्टिम गर्ल को हत्या हुआ, ये पूरा कारण बाहर आना चाहिए। हाँ, चीफ मिनिस्टर रहे कि नहीं रहे, इससे हमारा कोई मतलब नहीं है। हमारा मतलब है आम आदमी का सोच में आ गया दैट शी इज ए टोटल फेलियर।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कोलकाता के आरजीकर अस्पताल डॉक्टर सात बलात्कार हत्या मामले में स्वतः संज्ञान लिया है। भारत के मुख्य न्यायाधीश डॉक्टर चंद्रचूड़ और जस्टिस जीवी ने मनोज मिश्रा की पीठ ने 20 अगस्त को मामले की सुनवाई करेंगे।
मैंने सुना है वहां पर कोई जाके ये याचिका डाली, सुप्रीम कोर्ट से बताया कि ऐसा ऐसा हुआ है, वो तो सुमोटो कॉग्निजेंस लिया है। मेरा ख्याल से अगर ऐसा उनका पता था कि सीबीआई इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहा है कलकत्ता हाई कोर्ट का आदेश के नाते, तब मेरा ख्याल से सुप्रीम कोर्ट ये सुमोटो नहीं लेते थे, लेकिन लिया है। वो बाद में क्या करेगा देखा जाए।
सर, कोलकाता के डॉक्टर हत्या मामले में पुलिस कमिश्नर और आरजीकर के पूर्व प्रिंसिपल से हिरासत में पूछताछ की मांग करने पर टीएमसी के राज्यसभा सांसद सुखेंदु शेखर रॉय को पुलिस ने तलब किया है।
देखिए, ये जो एक इंस्टेंस है, इससे पता चलता है कि पुलिस अपना काम ठीक ढंग से नहीं कर रहे है। अगर कोई भी बताए, उसको डराने के लिए तुम बुला लेंगे, नोटिस भेज देंगे। तो क्या बताया, क्या गलती बताया? उन्होंने बताया कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन करो। रोल ऑफ द पुलिस कमिश्नर क्या जिम्मेदारी था, उसका जिम्मेवारी कैसे निभाया, ये तो हर आदमी ये पूछ सकते हैं। तो इसमें उनका नोटिस बुलाओ, इसका मतलब उनका डरा दो। तो मेरे ख्याल से सुखेंदु से कहते डरने वाला आदमी है नहीं।
राम और वाम ये दोनों मिलके ही पूरा अनरेस्ट क्रिएट किया गया है कोलकाता आरजीकर मिडनाइट अटैक पे ममता बनर्जी का। ये
जो स्लोगन ममता बनर्जी दे रहा है, इसका मतलब है कि ममता बनर्जी इसी चीज को लेकर, इसी जो घटना घटी है, जो हादसा हुआ, इसे लेकर उनके पेटी पॉलिटिक्स कर रहे हैं। ये चीफ मिनिस्टर को पेटीनेस को छोड़ के ऊपर आना चाहिए। जितना ब्रॉडनेस होना चाहिए, ब्रॉडनेस चीफ मिनिस्टर का है ही नहीं। चीफ मिनिस्टर मीन्स हर आदमी को वो नेता है, लेकिन अभी भी उसका सोच में है कि वो तृणमूल गोठ का नेता है। शी इज मिसफिट फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ चीफ मिनिस्टर।